This is Tadpole Smitty, back at Tadpole Smitty's garage. Today's the day. My cat, Trike, is coming down the road in a freight truck to be delivered to me. Been waiting 2 weeks, finally here. So let's go down and meet this truck driver and get my rig and see what my cat Pocket looks like. Let's go. Yeah, it does. That good? Yeah, I guess I'll bring down my trailer. And how heavy is that?
Kind of light, man. It doesn't feel too bad. I'm not
Oh yeah, we can load it in my trailer.
Okay, good.
I don't see any damage to the box.
Yeah, it looks good. It's still
Don't use the cable to lower it. Just okay. Okay, let's see if we can slide this thing up in there. I don't think we're going to have any problem. Go ahead and push on that. Hold up. Can't jam it through the wood. Back up. Not so far. That's real dramatic.
I barely grabbed the thing.
Go ahead and push it.
Come on, dude.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Okay. Okay, muscles. Slide that bad boy out. That's what having kids is good for. Come on.
It's stuck.
Pick up the front there. There you go. Now push. Don't pick it up yet. Just slide it straight out.
Push it. It's stuck on something, that's why. Pick up the...
Pick it up. All right, let's slide it in the garage. You know how I said let's slide it in the garage?
Us.
You want a dolly?
You could probably pick it up. It's not that heavy.
It's 135 pounds, so that's...
Oh, we got that.
Don't drop it.
son of a bitch.
I'm gonna have to delete everything I'm filming because you're cussing like a sailor. Who taught you how to cuss like that?
Oh, that's a good one, Dad.
Don't run into my trike.
Who taught me?
Lower it, lower it. Okay, boys, go have a good evening.
Alright.
Get home safe.
Alright.
No drinking and driving, no, none of that other dumb stuff. Thank you.
Later, YouTube.
Be good.
Alright, you too. Follow me when I do. Shut up.
Love you.
Love you.
I've been pretty excited. It's, I've been waiting. I ordered it on Labor Day, and it finally shipped. Got all my measurements. It's got my cat unloaded for me out of the trailer. My bat cave. And they put it in the garage for me. So let's go in here, look inside Tadpole Smitty's garage. Take a look. Here's all my other trikes. I'm demoing this for a company. Here's my trike that I've had for over a year and a half. I love this trike. It's a charge. Back here is my Sunseeker that my father bought for me before he passed away 6 months ago. I really like this for off-road in the desert. This was a gift for Christmas. And then back here is the rat rod. When my father was dying of cancer, me and my brother spent a lot of time together and kind of bonded building this old 30-year-old trike and updating it with electrics. It's called the rat rod. It's an Americruiser. We put a 26-inch mountain bike rear swing arm on where there used to be a 20-inch. And it has an electric hub. Everything came off the donor, the mountain bike. Still working on it. I'm gonna bend the boom up this winter. Be a winter project. I'm gonna lift the boom quite high. And I'm gonna put a different seat. I put that seat on. I'm gonna get a really nice seat and put it on it. So it's been a fun project. But that's not why we're here. This, friends, is why we're here. And look at the nice things they wrote on here. Thank you. We appreciate you. Box is in really good shape. What you believe, you will achieve. How inspiring. So let's unbox this. See what it looks like. So let's unbox this. It's like Christmas time. Christmas from Catrike Hostel Shoppes. God, what a gorgeous color. Pack it in here pretty good, actually. This is the third trike I've received in a year in a crate like this. And everybody does it different. This one, I like how they did this. Flag. Flag. I like how Cat sends you a flag. They should all come with safety devices. And this one also came with, this one came with heel restraints. I thought it came with clips. But that's okay, I like Catrike heel restraints. That'll work for now. This thing is light, babe.
Is that? Wow. Wow. Wow.
Pick it up.
That's awesome.
It's 20 pounds lighter than my charge, my turret truck. Isn't that cool?
Very cool. Awesome.
Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Folks, this thing is so light. So light, it's incredible. Wow. And I had him install a headrest for me. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's try sitting down in this thing. My first ride. Wished I would have got here a little earlier in the day. It's getting dark. All right, here we go. First maiden voyage. Oh man, this is nice. Boy, this thing's light. It's very light. Boy, the shifting is whisper quiet. Boy, this is a beautiful little rig, man. This is such a nice trike. Man, the seat is so comfortable. I'm not a big guy. I'm almost 5'9". I'm shrunk. The seat's perfect. The headrest is perfect. Ordered, it comes with one mirror. I ordered the extra one. Left and right. Man, it turns on a dime. Right, because I don't have lights. I don't really have my hill
Amazing.
restraints set up yet. I need to check out the tire pressure. I just want to take it on a little test drive, make sure it was okay. It's a gorgeous little machine. Wild sunflowers. So let's turn around, put this thing in the garage tonight. And then tomorrow, when I get it all set up, I'm going to take it down to the Santa Fe River Trail and really put it through its numbers. Well, folks, that's the unboxing and the initial ride of the Catrike. More to come. It's going to be great, I guarantee you. Till next time, folks, like and subscribe. It's Tadpole Smitty on his brand new Catrike Pocket from Hostel Shoppes.